So here I am in my PowerPoint presentation. So what we're going to do today is we're going to quickly go ahead and create a background for a classroom, plug in our Bitmojis, transparent images. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Insert, and I'm clicking on Pictures, and I'm going to go and look for pictures online. So online pictures, I will just say brick, wall, and floor. And as you can see, once I do that, I get this various pictures of walls and floors. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. I click Insert, and it's formatting. I'm just going to go ahead and format this. So here I am formatting this one. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply drag it all the way down. And as you can see, now I have a background of my class. And on the right hand side, if you can take a look, you have this design ideas. As soon as you start creating a PowerPoint, it automatically starts to use the artificial intelligence and gives you different ideas. We don't want to look at that for now. I'm going to close that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to insert a shape. I just want to make sure I have not a rectangle, not a complete rectangle, but something like this. So I don't want a plain wall. I'm going to go ahead and right click and fill. I'm going to fill this color. And I'm going to go back, right click and format my shape. And I want to make the transparency something like this, so you can see what's you can actually have a feel like it's part of my wall. And I'm going to go ahead and click no line, and there you go. So now I have my wall ready. I'm going to go ahead and insert a chair. I'm going to online pictures again, and please make sure every time you type in as a transparent. It's a chair, or it's a table, or it's a bookshelf, or whatever you want. I think I spelled transparent wrong. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, and I'm going to plug in. And it's going to take a minute. This chair is way too big. This chair is way too big. So let me format that. I'm going to go ahead and there you go. I don't want this part of the description. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. You can actually go ahead and format it, the 3D rotation. And when you right click and click format picture, a panel kind of opens up right here. And when you click on 3D rotation, you can actually see I can move the chair however I want. So there you go. Now the chair is this way. And if I want to go back, I'm just simply going to go back and change it to, I'm going to reset it. There you go. So you can actually move it in 3D and see how and where you want to place your chair. Once that's done, I am going to go ahead. Let me see. Should I get my Bitmoji, or you know what? Let me go ahead and insert a random person. So I'm going to click online pictures, and I'm going to say transparent people sitting. I just want to see what comes up. Okay, that's cool. I'm going to go ahead and pick this gentleman because he kind of looks very busy doing what he's doing. And here you go. I'm going to make sure he sits and fits right in my chair. So here you go. This gentleman is nice and comfortable in the chair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this chair, and I'm going to move it right here. I'm actually going to rotate the chair. So as you can see in the formatting picture, I am actually rotating the chair. So I'm just going to move the chair backward. And here is the rotation chair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Bitmoji, and I'm simply going to copy the image, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, so here is my image. I'm simply going to go ahead and move myself back here. I think I'm way too big for the chair, but that's okay. There you go. Now I have myself, I have the chair. Let's see what else. I'm going to go ahead and insert a couple of let's say icons. I'm going to go ahead and put a brain. How do I spell brain? It's too late in the night and I just can't spell anything. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and plug in a brain here. There you go. The brain is just I'm gonna make sure it's nice and big, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline it with white color and fill it with white color so it looks like it's on a chalkboard. So let's see what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to insert a text box. Where is the text box? Insert text box, and I'm going to say welcome. Well, this is extending the text box. Okay. Extending the text box, I'm going to go ahead and increase the font of this one. I'm gonna make sure I increase it to change the color to white. Okay, so now I changed it to white. I'm gonna go ahead and change the font so it looks like it's handwritten. And I'm going to leave it right there. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and insert a sticker. I'm just showing you all different kinds of options that you have. I'm going to go ahead and pick this cute little bee here. I'm going to go ahead and insert it. There you go. I'm going to move it back, make it small, and move it all the way up here, right close to me. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert. Let's see, I'm going to icons. I'm going to insert cutout people. Who do I want to insert? I am going to insert somebody, let's say, this little kid right here. There you go. He's been inserted. So he's kind of looking at this guy and thinking, what is he doing? And you can also go ahead and insert. I'm going to click on icons. You can insert on stock images. So the options are limitless. So you get the idea of how you can use PowerPoint to insert different stock images, icons, change the colors, cut out of people, stickers, and also transparent images. And voila, there you have it. And the best part is you do not have to worry about copyright issues or licensing issues because all these images are available to you by PowerPoint. So that's the best part of it. And I hope this video helps. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. And happy teaching!